I fucking love you guys. Seriously, this is the best community ever. I am just so blown away with all the support and love and everything you guys sent. Like, you know, all those messages that came in, like I was reading all of them and I was just so blown away. When someone dies, you never know what to say to the person, and you're like, does this text even really matter? Let me tell you something. Every single one of them mattered to me. Like that was really like it helped me. And I'm kind of blown away that I even opened up about all this on YouTube. Because I just remember when I was trying to figure out how I was going to do a channel, I was like, maybe I should try and appear like more successful or like I got more money. And I was just like, you know what, that's not going to stick. I'm going to get tired of doing that. I'm just going to have to like, let me just be like really, really authentic, or try to be at least. We all put on masks in some way. Let me just try and be like really authentic and just be me. And when she got sick, or she had been sick, and when her cancer started to get worse, I knew I had to like just say it. Like I had to let you guys know like what was going on, because sometimes there was some videos, man, where like I had like dark circles under my eyes, like hadn't shaved, like it was rough. Like to anyone that's had to go through that before, I'm just kind of like blown away that people have had to deal with that, because man, it's fuck cancer, man. Like it brutal. But this is Beach Office 365. This is a channel that's a bit more upbeat. I do want to be lively. I want to come back. I know I've missed out on a lot. There's a lot to go over. I know that there's some things with drip that are coming up that hopefully if Forex delivers, it could be some really exciting stuff. I'm more impressed with the community every single day, because what you guys have done, you're the reason this thing is still going. People are finding ways to try and create utility using the token, because that's what it needs. Honestly, if we were to ever see drip get back up a $10 range, there's got to be like real, utility for it. But the community is driving this thing right now. Like it is pretty remarkable to see all of you. So of course I'm going to cover drip. I want to quickly just say Spritz Finance. Have you guys been using it? Like I know Drip Coach has been promoting it. He puts a little thing at the end of his videos, but there's a lot of people that signed up under me. I don't know if you guys have been using it, but I have been using it. It's fantastic. Like, so I take money from the pig pen. I mean, I always, every project that I take money from, I invest usually half of it back into it, right? So I'm always pulling out half, or pulling out my rewards and then investing half. So continue to buy some pigs. Farm of Fortune, Mischief of Fortune, those two are paying like crazy, and I'm able to just pay off my credit card bills. So far, my accountant, I don't even think he's noticed that this is what's going on. So, I don't know. I mean, the end of the year, tax season, granted it would be for next year, but just saying, but seriously, pay all your taxes. Don't even mess around with that stuff. Here we are at the Faucet. Let's see what has the price been doing today. Honestly, I haven't even really checked. Oh, wow. This is, hey, we got this is something. I hope this video is coming through, because I'm noticing something on my screen that's making me think that it's not. But look at this price action. This is great. And again, this is a lot of it is people are getting excited about the drip, drop, draw. I am too. I'm so curious to know what that is. And I am a complete degenerate gambler. So I have no problem taking a day off from work and just sitting around, and pushing buttons and gambling. So I'm all about it. Just to give you guys a little something. So here is Spritz. In case some of you don't know, I will leave a link down below. But basically, this is a way you can use your crypto to pay down bills, and it connects with your bank account using what's the name of that thing that it uses? It's like Plaid. Is it this? What's this? Trust? I don't know. Truist. Truist. That's it. It'll connect with your bank account or credit card accounts, and you can take BNB, or I've been using a lot of USDC. But whatever tokens I pull off off the Binance, because it is for Binance. I do believe they have them for each chain, but I gotta double check. Cool thing is when you get it, they'll match the first payment you make up to, I think, $20, and then you get $50 when maybe it's $10. You get $50 when you make another payment. I forget how the reward structure goes, and this is what I mean, guys. Be patient with me because I want to get caught up on everything, and I'm gonna be learning from you guys a lot in the comments. So if you hear me miss up or say something that's not exactly accurate, just leave the comment down below and I'll get to it. But this is one of the coolest things that has come out in DeFi. You become your own bank. It's super cool. So definitely check out Spritz. It looks as though my video feed is not working there. I hope that stays. The video feed's cutting out. Again, I'm going to try and be back at it. Cannot thank you guys enough. I'm so blown away by all the comments and the support. Like, a lot of times, we think of the DeFi and the crypto space and certainly Twitter as these really toxic places, but geez, like I'm so humbled by it, guys. Seriously, like I don't want to start getting all choked up here because I want to at least try and appear cool, but I really was touched by all of you. So anyway, that's it for me today. Beach Office 365 back in effect, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.